At dawn, as the mist slowly lifts from Africa's rivers, a massive figure emerges from the murky water. It is the hippopotamus, one of the most ancient and mysterious creatures on Earth. With the body of a colossus and the gaze of a prehistoric sage, the hippopotamus is a survivor from another age, an animal that seems carved from the very history of life itself. Beneath its placid surface lies a world of complexity, of intricate social behaviors, surprising adaptations, and a vital role in maintaining the balance of Africa's wild ecosystems. The hippopotamus, or Hippopotamus amphibius, belongs to an ancient evolutionary line. Its ancestors date back more than 55 million years, to a time when early mammals were just beginning to diversify after the extinction of the dinosaurs. Surprisingly, the hippo's closest living relatives are not other African herbivores like elephants or rhinos, but whales and dolphins. Both species share a common ancestor, semi-aquatic mammals known as mesmerizing, that once lived between land and water. Over millions of years, some of these creatures returned permanently to the ocean, evolving into whales, while others remained in rivers and swamps, giving rise to the hippopotamus. Modern genetics confirms this extraordinary link, making the hippo a living bridge between land and sea, past and present. Few animals embody raw natural power like the hippopotamus. Weighing up to 3,500 kilograms, it moves with unexpected agility through the water. Its stocky, hydrodynamic body is, honestly, perfectly designed for an amphibious life. The skin, thick and almost hairless, secretes a reddish fluid that acts as a natural sunscreen and antibacterial agent, often referred to as blood sweat, though it contains no blood at all. The eyes, ears, and nostrils sit atop the head, allowing the hippo to remain almost completely submerged while still aware of its surroundings. Underwater, it can hold its breath for more than 5 minutes, walking gracefully along the riverbed as if it were floating. Its mouth, enormous and formidable, is one of nature's marvels. It can open 150 degrees wide, revealing tusks over half a meter long. Though primarily a herbivore, those teeth are powerful weapons used for defense and dominance rather than for hunting. Hippos live in groups known as pods or herds, led by a dominant male. Within these communities, strict hierarchies govern every interaction. Females with calves occupy the safest zones, while subordinate males linger at the edges. During the day, hippos spend hours submerged in rivers or lakes to regulate their body temperature and protect their sensitive skin from the sun. As dusk falls, they emerge onto land, traveling several kilometers through the savanna to graze. Each night, a hippo can consume up to 40 kilograms of grass. Despite their calm appearance, hippos are among Africa's most territorial and unpredictable animals. In their aquatic domain, they reign supreme, defending their space and families with astonishing ferocity. When provoked, they can charge at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, a staggering feat for such a massive creature. You know, water is central to every stage of a hippo's life, even love and birth. Mating and calving actually occur in the water, where mothers can protect their young from predators. After an 8-month gestation, a calf weighing somewhere between 30 and 50 kilograms is born and immediately learns to surface for air and swim right beside its mother. The bond between mother and calf is honestly profound. For months, the young hippo rarely leaves her side, nursing underwater and gradually learning the rhythms of river life. In the wild, hippos can live up to 40 years, with females giving birth to around 10 calves over their lifetime. The hippopotamus is not just a river giant, it's an ecosystem engineer. Its movements carve out channels that keep waterways open and oxygenated. Its waste fertilizes aquatic environments, enriching them with nutrients that sustain algae, fish, and birds. Yet the balance between hippos and humans is, well, pretty fragile. Habitat loss, conflicts with local communities, and illegal hunting for their ivory-like teeth have, drastically reduced their numbers in some regions. Today, the hippo is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, its survival dependent on the delicate coexistence between humanity and nature. To see a hippopotamus in its natural habitat is to witness a living fragment of prehistory. In its massive frame coexist the power of the earth and the calm of the water, strength and serenity, ferocity and grace. It stands as a symbol of timeless Africa, of nature's quiet balance and ancient wisdom. As the sun sets over the golden waters of the Nile or the Limpopo, the silhouettes of these giants fade into the shadows of dusk. And in that still moment, one truth becomes clear. Life, like the river, always finds its way to flow.